November, you need to be on the top of your game. It's the start of the holiday season.
Black Friday shopping.
It's getting cold out, so you might be a little less motivated.
Just a little bit frazzled.
So today, we are here to share with you our Energy Synergy Roll-On. So this roll-on is a natural way to help boost your energy. And it's in a roll-on, so it's pre-diluted for easy on-the-go support.
For your wrists, or your neck, or anywhere else.
Yeah, or that's where you put it. So you can put it on your wrists or your neck to get that energy you need. So for this recipe, you'll need about 10 milliliters of fractionated coconut oil. What you're gonna do with it is just fill the rest of your 10 milliliter roll-on up with it. So you don't need to measure that out. You can just fill it up. 4 drops of lime essential oil, 1 drop of nutmeg essential oil, and 1 drop of pine essential oil. And these essential oils are really good at giving you energy. It sounds like a weird combination, like it might
really
not
nice,
smell
though.
good, but it does smell good. It's also helpful if you have a funnel. If you don't have one, that's okay. You can just pour it into the container. So let's get started.
Okay.
All right, so we will take this top off.
I usually use a butter knife to get it off because I'm not as handy because my nails will break. Look at that. You must have already used the energy roll-on.
So let's put our funnel in and then add our essential oils, and we'll give it a swirl to mix it up.
And then you use it.
Yeah. All right. Now 4 drops of lime, 1 drop of nutmeg, and 1 drop of pine. All right, and then give it a swirl to help mix those oils up.
Okay.
Yep. And now fill the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. This does go rather quickly, so beautiful. All right, you put the lid back on, shake it up to get it all mixed, and then add a label. If you're a subscriber, this label comes in your recipe box. You just cut it out and peel off the back.
Perfect.
So now it's ready to be used.
So much energy!
So if you want some more energy in your life,
Just like us.
Make this recipe. It comes with the essential oil recipe box. I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
We're certified aromatherapists, and we love teaching people how to use essential oils.
And one of our main ways of doing this is we have our recipe box, which comes with 4 full-size essential oils plus 6 recipes on how to make toxin-free products in your home.
This recipe comes from our November box, so be sure to check that out at simplyearth.com/box.
And make sure you hit that subscribe now button. See you later.